Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The name still remains the same. Nanaye Wasiama Martin, the owner of edutech.com. Please, if today is your first time of watching my video, consider subscribing to the channel so that you'll be part of this particular family. If you are someone who is interested in making money online using your smart devices like your laptop or your smartphone, you are at the right place. So consider to be part of this particular family by subscribing to this particular channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be notified by YouTube. Alright, so in today's video, I'll be teaching you another way of making money. You know, on this particular channel, we always give you a genuine and legit platform that you can make money from. We don't give you fake platform that you can make money from, which will eventually scam you, or Ponzi scheme platforms, but we always give you legit platform that you can earn money from. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you how you can make money from the Jumia app. If only the Jumia app works in your country. If you're a person that you usually or you sometimes buy something from the Jumia app, you can also make money from the Jumia app. Alright, for now we have 3 ways of making money from the Jumia app, which I'll be diving deeper into one of it. One is by joining their affiliate program, which is called the J-Force. So you download the J-Force app and then you sign up. So the more you are ordering products from the Jumia app, they will calculate your commission on the J-Force app. At the end of the month, they will send your commission to you. Also, you can act as a middleman, which we call it a drop shipping. You can go to the Jumia app, sort the product, the one that you think it is very hot product that people are buying it. You can take screenshot of it, post it on all your social media platforms. When people show interest in it, you put a profit margin on it so that when they give you the money to order it, you take your profit from it. You give the product to that particular customer who is in need of that particular product. And the last opportunity, or the last way you can earn money from the Jumia app, is by you becoming the seller, opening your store on the Jumia app and then start posting your product that you have in stock on the Jumia app, so that when people place order, the money will come to you and then you ship or you deliver that particular product to the Jumia warehouse, and then Jumia will send that particular product to the customer who placed the order. Alright, it is very simple. So in today's video, we'll be looking at the last one, which is you creating your store on the Jumia app and then becoming the seller on the Jumia platform. Without taking much of your time, I want us to go straight onto my laptop screen and I will show you how you can sign up, how you can upload products, and how you can start making money on the Jumia app. Stay tuned, do not go elsewhere. Alright, welcome back to this video. So without further ado, let me just open my web browser. Okay, now let's open new tab. On the search bar, you will type vendorseller.jumia.com. So as you can see, it has popped up already, vendorseller.jumia.com. I will just press enter for it to open. Now when it opens, this is how it looks like. This is the interface of it. If you have an account already, you will click on sign in with email. But if you are new to this platform or this website and you are yet to sign up, you click on sell on Jumia. Alright, so let's say we are yet to create an account. You click on sell on Jumia. Now you have to come to this side and select your country. Let's say Jumia is African Amazon. Okay, so all these African countries, Jumia operates on these all these African countries. We have Algeria, we have Egypt, we have Ghana, we have Ivory Coast, we have Kenya, we have Morocco, we have Nigeria, we have Senegal, and then Cameroon. And then Uganda. These are the countries currently Jumia is operating on. So if your country is part of these listed countries, you select your country and then you click on next. See, creating an account on the Jumia seller platform is very simple. It is not difficult thing, it is not complicated. Okay, so all what you need to do is to just fill out the form that they will be giving to you. It is the same thing as creating Facebook account in any other online account that you usually create. It is simple. So for me that I have an account already, I'll just go back and then click on sign in with email. I'll just click on it because I have an account already. So as you can see, my email has popped up and my password too is there. All what I have to do is to just click on sign in for it to open my account or my store for me. So as you can see, this is my store. My dashboard has been opened. Now we have orders, we have products, and so on and so forth. When you sign up to this platform, always make sure every day you come to this platform and check whether you have pending orders. If you have pending orders, do justice to it. Package the product, take it to any Jumia pickup station, leave it there. Jumia will deliver it to your customer and then they will give your money to you. Okay, so make sure you always come and check whether you have pending orders. Okay, it is very, very important because when someone places order, Jumia will give you a limited number of days to respond to that order and then do justice to it. So make sure you do that, else the order will be automatically cancelled. So make sure you come to the site every day to check whether you have pending orders. For me, let me just go to orders. So as you can see, we have pending here and we have 0. That means I have pending 0 pending orders. Okay, I'm new to this platform, that is why. So I have 0 pending orders. Okay, now let's go to products. We have products, we have managed products, we have add products. For the managed products, that is the products you've already published on the Jumia platform for them to advertise for you. Okay, so when you click on managed products, it will show you all your products that it is live on Jumia. And we have add products. So when you go to add products like this, that is when you want to add new products to Jumia. So as you can see, we have 2 different things here. We have add a product and here we have add multiple products. Here, let's talk about add a product first. Add a product is a single brand. So as you can see, even though I have 5 pieces of this particular product here, but it is single brand. So if I want to publish it on Jumia, I'll go to add a product. It is a single brand. But if I have 2 different or 2 or more different brands, so as you can see, this brand is different from this brand. If I want to publish these 2 at the same time, I have to come to add multiple products. Do you get it? That is it. Someone may ask, how will I get product to sell on Jumia? For me, I'm also into mini importation, so most of my products are imported outside the country, and some of the products I go to the market, go to the wholesalers and then buy it and come and resell it on Jumia and also on my social media platforms. So that is how it is. Now let me tell you this: when you publish your product here and Jumia accept the product and then make it live, make sure you copy your store link, send it to all your social media platforms, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Publish your link there so that people will then click on your link and then view your store. Okay, so the more people are viewing your store, but the more Jumia will then like pushing your store to many audience. That is how it works. Okay, now if you want to publish a product, let's say new product, we will click on add product like this. Then you'll be given name, you'll be given this form to fill. We have pictures here. So here, that is where you add images of that particular product. We have main image and then the subsequent or the other or the sub images. So the main image is the first image the customer will see, and then the other images are the supporting images. If the customer wants to see more images of that particular product, it will be shown here. Okay, and then we have the name of the product. Here you have to enter the name of the product, and then here we have the category of the product. Every product on Jumia has to fall under a particular category, so you have to take very good notice of that thing too. All right, let's talk about the naming. Make sure the name that you give to your product is SEO name. SEO means search engine optimization. So that means the name that you give to it, there is a particular keyword in that name that users are searching it on Jumia. Alright, so ChatGPT will help you do that. I have a chat with ChatGPT already, so what I have to do is to come to ChatGPT, this is my chat with ChatGPT. I uploaded the image of the particular product that I want to publish on Jumia. This is the image of it. Yes, and I told ChatGPT that I want to sell it on Jumia, so it should give me I said, so give me SEO name of it on Jumia and 8 features, and then ChatGPT went ahead and do that thing. So it will give you SEO name of that particular product so that it can be visible on Jumia platform to many audience, okay, or many customers. So that is it. So you copy the name and then you paste it there. Copy the name that ChatGPT gave to you. This is the optimized name, okay. This is the SEO name ChatGPT gave to me. So I have to copy the name of that product and come and paste it. All right, I won't publish it again because I have it already. So I'll go to manage products. Here is it. I'll come to, this is the manage product. I'll come to edit. Let me edit it. Okay, so let me close this. Okay, now for the name, as I said earlier, make sure it contains a keyword. So use SEO name. Ask ChatGPT will give it to you. Copy it and come and paste it here. Okay, the image, as I said earlier, we have the main image and we have the supporting images. So I'll click on the main image. It will open my laptop's gallery, and then I'll just go straight and click on the main image that I want, and then click on open. It will be uploaded. Then I will go to the second image, click on it. It will open your gallery, and then you select your second image, and then it will be uploaded. Now let me tell you, you can upload as many as 8 images of the product. Anything less than 1 will not be acceptable. There must be an image for customers to see that product, okay? So anything less than 1 is not acceptable on Jumia platform. So for now, I've uploaded 2 images, which is okay for me. I can upload as many as 8, but 2 is okay for me. Even 1 is okay, but anything less than 1 is not acceptable. For the name, you can copy from ChatGPT and come and paste it here. And then you have to categorize your product. Your product must fall under a particular category. So you click on category here, and then you select the category that your product falls. So as you can see, my product falls under headset. But let me tell you the category of it. I went to phones and phones and tablets. Under phones and tablets, I selected Bluetooth accessories. Okay, under Bluetooth accessories, I selected headset. Okay, so as you can see, this particular product is Bluetooth headset that we hang around our neck. Okay, Bluetooth headset or Bluetooth earpiece we hang around our neck. Okay, so that is it. And here they are asking for the brand. So you type the brand of the product you want to publish on Jumia. Let's say you want to sell on Jumia, you want to sell phone on Jumia. So the product name of that particular phone, if it is Samsung, you type Samsung there. If it is Nokia, you type Nokia there. If it is Apple, you type Apple there. Okay, and then here color. So this is the color. You type the color of the product. So this particular product, the color is black. So I typed black, and then the color family is what? Black. Then the weight of that product, you come to ChatGPT, it will give you the weight. This is the weight of it. The weight is 0.20 kg. I copied the weight. Okay, I copied it, and then I came and pasted it here. Okay, and then here they will ask you the features of it. Okay, the description of the product, and this is the description of the product, the main description. Here's the description. You copy everything here, and then go and paste it there. Okay, paste it here. Okay, and then we have the main or the key features, the key or main features, or Jumia call it highlights. This is it. ChatGPT also gave it to me, so I'll copy everything here from the brand. Okay, everything here. No, let me count to this part. I copied it and came to Jumia platform and then pasted it here. Okay, all right. Variation, I used black. Okay, now we have here seller school. The seller school is a unique code that you give to the product. Every product on Jumia has its seller school. So the unique product, the unique code you give to it. So here I said wireless TV. The TV is Bluetooth. So I said wireless Bluetooth -123. That is the code that I gave to this product. Okay, and then here quantity. So you have to tell them the quantity. Even though I have 5 pieces here, but I told them the quantity is 100 pieces. Okay, make sure the quantity is quite encouraging for them to accept the product. And then here we have the global price. The global price is the market price of the product. What is the amount people are selling it for on the market, the normal market, the resellers? What is the price that they use that particular product for? So for this product, they sell it not less than 100 cedis. So they sell it 100 to 180 Ghana cedis. So I told them the global price is 180 Ghana cedis, but for me, I'll be selling it at what? 100 cedis. Okay, so you have to tell them the global price and then the price that you are willing to sell it. And then here we have the date, the start date. Currently, I'm recording this video on 7th November. So do not select that current date. Select a day after the day you want to publish it. Let's say the day you are uploading it. So today is 7th. So you can select the date from 8th going. Okay, so I selected 8th, or no, I selected 9th. And then the ending. The ending is when you want Jumia to stop showing the products to customers. So I selected 2027 because 2025 is almost ended. So I selected 2027, 31st January. And then here we have the certification. This part is not necessary, so I ignore that one. And then here we have the model. The model, you come to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will give you the model. This is the model. I copied the model here, then pasted it here. Okay, all these, and then you come to the product country. The product country, you click on it and then you select the country. The country of this product is China, so I selected China. All these you can choose to ignore it because they are not relevant. When you are done, you come to submit. You click on submit. Okay, so they are asking of product info. Okay, it has. So I've submitted it. So it will be under under review. Jumia will review the product. If the product is if everything about the product is correct, they will take it and then it will be shown live. So as you can see, this product that I uploaded earlier has been gone live. It is live. People are viewing it, and this one too is live. So I'm waiting for this one to also be verified, and then it will also go live. Thank you very much for sticking with me up to this end of the video. I'm sure this video is very, very helpful and educative to you. If you find it interesting, make sure you click on the like button and also subscribe to the channel so that you'll be part of this particular family. Make sure you click on the bell notification icon and select all so that anytime I upload new video, you'll be notified by YouTube and you get your share from it. Make sure you also share this video to a friend who also wants to make money online. Thank you very much for always being with me. Until we meet again, stay blessed. Bye bye.